Guys, your favorite seasonal pyro back with another unboxing. Today we got this Phantom Celebration. This cost about 50 bucks. A couple years back it was like 32. I don't get really why they raised the prices. Basically looks the same for about like 3 years ago. Probably because of inflation or something like that. But some things that do really tick me off about assortments is, like punks. Like, why are they? I don't get why they put them in here. Like, just have them separate, like in the stand. Like, if someone asks for a punk, then give it to them. I don't get why they ain't gonna include them in the assortments. And like, you could just add like a couple more box fountains. So yeah, these are basically all like one tubers. Probably the best fountain you could get in here is like the Moon Dance right here. I don't know about these. Haven't really seen them. I might show a demo. I don't know. We'll see. So let's hop right in. I thought, guys, I had to change areas. So starting off, we got two friendship fountains. Small little cool fountains. What you expect out of $50 assortment. Then we have peach flower in the spring. One tuber box fountain. Cuckoos. Really nice little fountains right here. You get, I think, 3 pieces. That looks more than 3, to be honest. Oh no, just 3. 3 pieces in there. We got a couple hidden ones down here. Okay, so we got 3 of these crimsons or violets and crimsons fountains. More small fountains. Then we have 2, nope, just 1 party popper. There's usually 2 in this assortment. I don't know why there's only 1. We'll check that later. Confetti lights, a stand item. I'm not sure if cuckoo's a stand item. I think it is. I don't know. Probably not. Then we got the wolf snaps, man. Probably the best thing in here. Then stupid punks just takes up space. There's lighters for a reason. Spark plug. I think this is a good fountain for a 1-tuber. I think I've seen the video of it. Probably not. I'm probably just confusing something else. Mad Hater fountain. I think it's a 2-tube. Nope, it's a 1-tube with a whistle. That's interesting. Large golden flower fountain. I think it's a 1-tuber. Probably uses a box fountain. Yep, 1-tuber. So, and then we have jade flower fountain. Another 1-tuber. Probably. I think this has a whistle too, right? No, maybe not. No, I have to check, actually. Nope, just a 1-tuber. Yeah, just a 1-tuber. Okay, no whistle. Great. Moon Dance fountain, another stand item. So we got about 1, 2, I think wolf packs are there too. And then I think cuckoos are in stands too. I think. No, I don't think so they are. But yeah, I know 3 for sure out here. So we have confetti lights and wolf pack. 3 stand items in there. You don't see TNT putting stand items really in their assortments, because they like to rip off people. I mean, so does Phantom and, other stands. But yeah, this is what we have. We have about... Actually, let me check how many party poppers you're supposed to have in here. Where is it at? Okay. Oh, just 1 party popper. I guess they changed it from last year. I'm pretty sure there was supposed to be 2 in there, but yeah, that's all we got for this assortment. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.